This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're ready to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer. And it has been a long time since I have done a video. I know I have been busy learning, building my business. And I have not, normally on this channel, I would share, just to share opportunities, income opportunities. And I just have had decided to take a step back from that. And plus I had some other priorities. Okay. So what I'm bringing to you today is a spreadsheet for those of you that have multiple streams of income and you need to produce a profit and loss statement to give to your tax preparer to help you with your taxes for the multiple streams of income that you have. So let's say that you have a business where you do Lyft or Uber, or you're a courier, and then you also have a Amazon store or a Shopify store. And you have, or you have a 9 to 5, plus you do other things. Maybe it is one of these platforms, crypto platforms, anything. 7 income streams you can track on this spreadsheet. Now, I created this spreadsheet myself. My experience is in accounting. That is what I do. I've been doing accounting for 20 years. That is my what I do majority for my livelihood. Okay. So I have a bookkeeping business that I have kind of this year started building and working and launching. So this is a product that I created that those of you that don't have an accounting software that you use for your business, or maybe you have use your accounting software for your main business and then you also have all these others, you don't want to mix those together on one profit and loss statement. You can't put two businesses in one. Well, you can, but it's going to cost you more to do that into an accounting software. But this spreadsheet is good for those of you that don't really want to go the accounting software route and you want to track it yourself. You don't want to do it on get a bookkeeper yet. You can do this yourself. Okay. So this spreadsheet allows you to track your income for up to 7 income streams and your expenses for each one. Now, once you do that, once you log in all of your information for each of your income streams, so here you can see the instructions on how to use this this spreadsheet, this Google Sheet. When you purchase it, you're going to get this Google Sheet, and what you would do is make a copy and save it under a new file name. That is very important that you do that. That way we can't see, anybody else that gets this can't see your information. You definitely want to file it under a different name prior to making any editing on the spreadsheet. Okay. So each income, you can change the names of your income and rename it here. All right. You also can put the name up here by just typing it up here, the name of the income stream that you're using. So let's say, and how you log your information is each day of the month. The days is here. So let's say today is the 7th of the month. Let's see. I think I put this in the wrong column. I wanted to put it here. Okay, today is the 7th of July. And let's say you made $150 today in one of your businesses. All right. So what will happen is your profit, it'll populate. I'm sorry, I'm moving too fast. It'll populate up here. So everything will go up here. Okay, all your totals will add up here for this income stream. And it also will populate here. So here you can edit and put the name of that income stream. Let's just say it was Uber and you made $150 today doing Uber. All right. It will automatically you can edit this area here, but this here you can't edit. It won't let you edit it. I can only edit it. But when you get it, this will, you know, populate it automatically. And what you're going to be able to do is print this out at the end of the year when it's time to do your taxes and give it to your tax preparer. Now, all of these are the expenses listed here. So let's just go to that same first income. Let's just say it's Uber. Now you can rename it here, Uber. And then here you can do the same thing, rename expenses slash Uber. Now let's just say you're going to, each month, you're going to add your expenses for this particular income stream. And let's say you spent, I'm just going to put in one thing here. Let's say you spent let's say you do Uber and you bought a dash cam. Let's say you started Uber in May last month. You spent $120 on a dash cam. You spent money on snacks and refreshments for the month. What you want to do is you want to log this information at the end of the month. So you get your bank statement at the end of the month. Look at your bank statement. Look at what you spent for the month in these categories. That's how you want to log this information. Now, let's say there's something on this list that you don't use. Let's say you don't have any payroll to process. You don't pay anybody, okay? And you want to use something else that's not on this list, and you want to add something else. Let's say you have a uniform that you had to purchase for anything, whatever it is. Just say you want to use a uniform. You change it to uniform here, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. Okay, that did not happen. Okay, so what happened is, first of all, I want to show you that the 120 here came here automatically, and the $50 came here under Bluetooth. Okay, that's what we logged on the sheet. And then this, you can just change to uniform. All right, you can just change that to uniform. That way, if you go back here and you put something in uniform, you spent, let's say you spent $75 on the uniform, clothing. When you go back here to profit and loss, it's going to automatically populate it here for you. Okay, so what will happen is you'll get to see at the top what you netted or profited. Okay, negative means you had a loss. All right, so like I said, all you're going to do is print this out in this page here and give it to your tax preparer. Now, if you have, now this is going to include all your streams of income. Okay, so each of your income streams you're going to be able to list here and give it to your tax preparer so they can see. Now, if your tax preparer wants to know how much you spent for each individual one, then for each individual business, you can share this page, these pages with them as well. Okay. If they just want an overall total of what you spent on each of your expenses, then they may not want any of this, but you do have it in case they want it. All right. So this is how it's going to give you up to 7 income streams. So for each income stream, this is what you would do. All right. So that, so I can even show you, like, say for instance, you if you come here and put in, that's going to put something anywhere. Let's say you spent one business, you spent, for the month, you spend $375 for rent space, for this business. Then again, it's going to add it here. So all your totals will always add up in these areas. Okay. It'll all carry over. And if you're making any editing, again, it's best, instead of adding something here, another one, just change it here in this section. If it's something on here that you're not using, you can replace it with something that you are using. But pretty much everything is here. Okay, pretty much everything is here. I'm going to kind of undo all of this stuff so stuff can go back to where it was. All my numbers can go back. Okay, so I think everything is blank now. So yeah, so each year you can reuse this. So next year, 2024, you can just change the year and then change all of your income expenses. Okay. That is what you'll get. If you purchase this, you'll be able to do up to 7 income streams. Now, if you want to add more income streams, then you would need to get something made custom, which you can contact me and get something custom made up to the number of income streams that you have, and then I can create it for you so all of everything can carry over, and all the numbers I can create the spreadsheet to your need, to meet your needs if you have over 7 streams of income. So that is it. That is all, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I will be doing more video content to help you with your business finances. If you have other business, multiple streams of income, if you just have one business, ways to handle your bookkeeping. If you're in need of bookkeeping and you're not sure, what your needs really are, you can book a free discovery call with me by going to my website, the link will be in the description. To get access to the link to this spreadsheet, to purchase it, the link will be in the description to purchase it. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.